Welcome to Second Take, the show that focuses on the issues behind the news. Mining Weekly editor Martin Creamer joins me today to unpack the latest in the mining industry. Welcome, Martin.
Thanks, Ashley.
Now, Anglo American's transition to 100% renewables in South America has seen it reduce its carbon emissions by more than a fifth.
You know, it would be nice to be able to say that about South Africa. We've got to reduce these carbon emissions. We've got a platinum business that is not doing well at the moment. You'd think the government would go full out to get things going on the renewable energy front so we could get more green hydrogen going and the rest. But what's happening in other places like Chile, you know, they're moving so fast with renewable energy that a mining company like Anglo is 100% renewable because of what's happened in Chile and Peru. There's also going to be a green hydrogen corridor there. I hope they don't beat us with that as well. And, you know, you can see that next in line is going to be Australia, not us. So why are we always so slow with this? You know, it's going to affect us. We've got to export things soon. And if you've got this carbon impediment, it's going to be a problem. I hope that we speed up.
Now, South32 is looking to deploy energy-efficient technology at Hillside Aluminum.
Yeah, so you've got this Hillside Aluminum, which is very important to this country. You know, it was introduced there because we had low-cost electricity, because half of aluminium is electricity. But what's happening now is that's 100% coal-fired power. So you're producing aluminium with 100% coal-fired power. When you sell it into Europe, they look at it and they start saying, well, we would give you a premium if you're green, we're not going to give you a premium. At the moment now, you know, the aluminium price is nothing to write home about. It's weak. So you've got this issue of possible carbon impediment plus potential for a weak price every now and again. And you've got, you know, many people employed there needing to be employed continually. So South32 has got this major challenge, and I listened to them yesterday at the annual general meeting, and, you know, they're very conscious of this. They're moving at it in different ways. On the one point, they want to get some sort of nuclear deal because we do produce nuclear energy here. They want some sort of attribution there so that they can sell into Europe, particularly when, you know, Europe starts putting in these carbon tariffs. But that's not part of the decarbonisation. They're now looking at quotes for renewable energy, but they feel they've got a bit of time on that. I wish they would reason that they really haven't got that much time. It's just about their contract with Eskom that goes to 2031. So I would hope that they would speed up on that. Perhaps they will. But that definitely is needing to survive. It can give us, you know, the aluminium rod that is so important for our renewable energy business. It can come out of there, you know, for our market here, which would be fantastic if they could combine all sorts of local manufacture, you know, with making sure that somehow we see that Hillside Aluminum continues to prosper, because, you know, it's been built on very low-cost power. And you might say, well, bringing in renewable energy now is also really low cost, but they're used to low-cost power. So it's built on low cost. So it's a whole different proposition and a massive user of electricity. So hopefully they'll put their heads together and we'll come up with a solution there.
Lastly, tell us about the H2.SA project, which aims to promote a green hydrogen economy in South Africa.
Now, this is fantastic by the German group GIZ, you know, coming through to help us spread the hydrogen economy. Now, as they're saying, you've got big companies that know how to deal with renewable energy and their projects. They know how to deal with green hydrogen projects. But there are affected communities. Spread that to your affected communities. We've got a toolkit that helps you to do that. You know, show interest in this pilot, and let's spread the green hydrogen also into community development, which is great for South Africa. And it's great that a German, you know, organization is now promoting that within our H2.SA program, which is being led by the presidency, which is very good. But this is like maximizing what we're doing and involving the community in the green hydrogen story as well. And the more we can do that, the better, because we've got to promote platinum group metals here, and you can see what's happening to platinum group metals. You know, the price is really bad at the moment, resulting in potential closure of mines, resulting in certain investors saying we're not going to invest in this anymore in the stock exchange. We're pulling out of that. We don't see a strong enough demand for this anymore. So we as Africans really need to push this now, because this is the holistic solution. You know, the narrower solution is getting more promotion. And obviously we also need those metals and minerals that go into batteries, so we should be doing that here, because even the fuel cell is a battery. So, you know, we should be looking holistically, moving faster, and that's always a problem with us. The speed at which we move, hopefully we'll get there eventually.
Thanks for speaking with us, Martin.
It's a great pleasure, Stephanie.
That's it for today. Join us again next week for more news analysis on the local and global mining industries. To subscribe to Creamer Media's Engineering News and Mining Weekly, please email subscriptions at creamermedia.co.za.